Hi students, it is time to reveal your second gift. The first gift, the Dream Badge, got immense love from the students, and it has always got love because it gives you access to all the paid lectures at a nominal price with unlimited views and access on the phone as well as on the laptop till your exam last day, that's June 10th. Now, the three gift series is all connected, all of them which will help you and improve your preparations for your June 26 examination. The first gift gave you access to the paid lectures, which are all in depth. So, obviously, it will be a real booster. And now we will be revealing your second gift. The third gift also we will tell you after the second gift is revealed, and we'll announce it that as well. Now, the gift 2, okay, is understand the chain of sequence, detailed lectures, such vast syllabus. Now, even if sometimes you get detailed lectures, those are in depth, so to cover it also will require time, and it's possible that you cannot cover that, and for that also you require hand holding. So something like a revision series. And students who have been with us have an idea of what this second gift will be. And they are called as marathon. Marathons is where we, because we're teaching for past 12 years, we will take it up and cover your full syllabus in these marathons. So these marathons are massive revision sessions that will help you complete your full syllabus. And what we cover in the marathon sessions are exam oriented, what comes in exams, and will help you clear the exams. So we know what has come in the last attempt. We have actually been teaching from past 12 years. So I know for so many attempts what comes, and the last few attempts also we analyze. So we know that this all is important, this all is what you need to know, this all will come in your examination, focus points, so you can study that really well. Okay, so the schedule of the marathon will be there for all the subjects. Okay, only in professional ESG will not be there because I don't take that. Rest all the subjects marathons will be there. Now for executive and professional, we will be putting out the schedule in our WhatsApp group as and when the marathon comes. So you need to join our WhatsApp group. I will be putting out the schedule there. Don't miss out the entire marathon. Or prepare for it and come, and you will see that everything is so beautifully covered, and you understand. Even if you had zero knowledge, you will understand it 100% perfectly. The reason is we focus on exam point and we'll cover that very nicely. Won't find it fast paced as well. Okay, something which is irrelevant, we won't be covering that. Second is the mode of these lectures. How can you attend? So first is your online mode. So on YouTube live, the marathons will be streamed. You can go ahead and watch it. Mostly, I will not hide the videos immediately. So you have to sit live and complete it with me. Because not completing with me is just like leaving the things undone, and it will always stay pending. So I wanted to attend live. That's why I might make it private to study with me and complete with me. And these lectures will be 100% in English. For two reasons, I have students from South India, they have shown so much love, and for them, I take these lectures and always have been taking lectures in 100% English. The full portion will be revised in English. Second, the purpose is you have to write your examination in English. The language in your NCLT is in English, language to foreign clients is in English. So it's therefore important for you to build your language. When you listen to English lectures, you will be able to write it, the keywords in English. Very difficult. If I speak in Hindi, you can go ahead and write in English. Okay. And being exam time, I believe you must have already studied, so wouldn't be a difficulty as well. Second, the offline center is only in Mumbai, Andheri West. There is no other online centers we have, offline centers we have. So you can come to the face-to-face center as well. You can message our team that you will be coming. So we will tell you, because the seats are very limited. So just message the team will confirm to you, and that you should message as soon as possible, because once the seats are full, the team will message that it's not possible because it's a limited space, extremely limited space. That is why we offline is going to be for limited students. Any of you all can come, but message before coming. Confirmation from team is mandatory for offline face-to-face center in Andheri West. Okay, so join the WhatsApp group. The schedule I will be putting out, and it will be, your syllabus will be beautifully covered. You will nicely get a recap of everything that you have studied, and you will clear your examination with flying colors. So enjoy your gift. If you've not enrolled for the dream batch, please go ahead and enroll. It is hardly any amount, and you get access to all the lectures. Multiple students have done it. So what happens, at least till the time lectures are not there, you can complete anything. You want to go in depth, you can go in depth. Marathons are revision series, exam oriented, exactly what is needed to be known for. 1 day before the exam, 2 day before the exam, what you need to write, markings will be given. So it's very important. Take care, guys. I will see you in the lectures. Join the WhatsApp group and get ready and geared up for your third gift as well. Let me know in the comment section if you can guess the third gift as well. The first two gifts, students who have been associated with us in the past very well have an idea. Let's see if you can crack the third gift as well. Take care, guys. Bye.